Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to automate checklists in Trello. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Trello account and sign in. Alright, so you go to your Google search bar and type in Trello. And if you don't already have an account, all you simply have to do is to sign up. For this video, we already have an account with Trello, so we would simply log in to our Trello account. So automating checklists in Trello helps you save time, reduce repetitive tasks, and keeps your workflow running smoothly, especially when you're managing content calendars, projects, or client tasks. So to automate checklists on Trello, the first thing we will do is head over to our board. All right, I'll be working with this my Trello board over here, and then we would pick the card we want to work with. Now we have a set of cards already labeled here. For this video, we'll be working with the card tag this week. All right, so we'll click on the three dotted lines by the corner. It is tag list actions, and it will take us to a set of these actions, including add card, copy list, and all of these. As you can see, our focus is on automation, so we'll head over here, and as you can see, there are a set of rules to work with. When a card is added to the list every day, Monday, create a rule. What we'll be working with is the first task over here, and we'll click on that. All right, so when a card is added to list, where do we want this card, the particular card we are working with, to appear? Do we want it to appear on this week, that is this green board over here, or do we want it to appear on later, the purple, or today? So we'll click on where we want it to appear, what we are working on. Remember, we are working with this. We want to put the card in a place where it will be easy to find, and that will make our tasks easy and simple. So I'll work with later. All right, so the next thing we'll do is add more actions, and then that would include moving your card, copying your card, adding labels, joining your card, or doing any of these things that are listed over here. So I'll just simply pick add label. All right, so this card will be added to later, and then we will label it under project done. So we can go ahead to add the new rule or add more actions. So the next thing we want to do is move this card from where it is to, or copy, let's do copy this card from where it was on this week to, all right, we are copying it from where it is to later, as you can see. So we are copying this card from, where do we want the card to appear? Is it at the top or the bottom? So you pick that. I want it to appear at the bottom so we can easily see it. All right, so where do you want it to appear? Today, this week, or later. And if you do not want it to appear on this Trello board, you can see that you have a list of other options to pick, but we'll just stay with this board so we can simply see what we've done. So we are going to add that new rule. All right, and in a few minutes you can see that you've created your rule and you've automated your checklist on that particular checklist on Trello. So let's see. All right, so you come here where you want that card to appear, add card, give it a tag, let's say received file, click on enter, and as you can see, yes, as you can see, that file you created, remember the label was purple, right? If you click on it, you will see that that card you created has been saved under later. So this is how you can simply automate your checklist on Trello. I hope that with following these very few and simple instructions, you were able to automate your checklist as well on Trello. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until I see you in the next one. Bye for now.